The holidays.
A babysitter was gonna come over and babysit them. So the mom went away out on lunch someplace.
Mr. and Mrs. Holiday.
Mr. and Mrs. Holiday,
Mrs. and Mrs. Holiday went out to a holiday.
Yeah.
Went out to lunch.
Yeah.
And so, they promised that a babysitter would come there and babysit them. But instead, the babysitter didn't show up.
Babysitter didn't show up. Well, then what happened?
Then they were talking about, Dad always wanted the house painted. He was always talking about it, getting the house painted. And so, they got some paint, and there was a lot of paint in the garage, and there were a lot of paintbrushes for all of them. We started painting the house, all different colors. Charlie, you just stepped on the paint. Okay. And so, when her mom and dad came home, they were just really upset.
I bet. They painted all different colors, didn't they?
Yes.
They did.
And the dogs got all filled with paint, had the bathtub was all just yucky.
Sure, I'll paint the whistle, okay? Sure, you have to get really special.
Hey, that's looking good, Marge.
It's fair.
It's looking good.
You can paint this big stack thing.
Okay. I'll have to get up on the train now.
Yeah.
Can get you a
get the
chair.
paint on you?
You can't
Here,
get up
we'll do this
on the
real
train.
quick. You and I do it together?
Probably tomorrow
you do
will
it.
be all dry.
Yeah, girl.
It's a lot of paint.
Stick this right there, man. Okay, let's use up the excess paint we got there, Margie. Here, get all this right here.
Okay.
You need to go over it again. Can I go over it with you?
So turn orange to the sun.
Good. Now let's go up here.
I did.
Okay, there we go. Get on down in here.
I did.
Oh, you did you? Okay, you work on that now.
She always lies. Drippy, drippy, drippy. Drippy, drippy, drippy. Drippy, 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 drippy.
Yeah.
No, not drippy. Drippy so much.
You guys are doing a nice job.
You got a small paintbrush. I do. Stuff all my clothes. That's why you got old clothes on. So it won't get out of your new clothes.
Anybody need a rag to get the paint off themselves?
Yeah, I do.
Okay.
I
You do? Well, let's see what you got. Let's show the camera what you got. Come on over here. Show camera. Look at. Would you look at those hands? Yes, indeed. Very good.
Here's some more.
Did I miss some? Okay, here we go. Here, Charlie, get yours.
I don't want mine
Okay,
done
sure.
until I'm done.
I'll help you with yours just a second here.
Can't get it.
Yeah, you're looking real good here. Just sort of feather it out. A little dry. When you feather it out, yeah, you gotta go over fast here. You can go up and down like this and then just go like this. Real lightly, okay? That sort of feathers your strokes out.
Here.
Okay. Okay. Go ahead and get some more in there. The reason it's drying so fast is that,
The sun's out.
yeah, let me see your brush just a second. This way. Okay, there you go. For drips. Okay. Boy, oh boy. Let's go down here and take a look at this one down there. What's she doing? Very good, Margie. Huh? Okay.
Why don't you come over here and look at me for once?
Okay.
And then there's Rose here.
Okay, now here, just take your brush and go down the edge. Alright. That a girl.
Let has to do that.
Alright, now come over and look at that side now.
Oh, it didn't even ring him out.
What have we got going here? Oh! How's your side coming, Nat?
It's okay.
Looks pretty good, doesn't it? Hey, Mose, that looks good, girl. Tell you're doing a good job there. Okay, Margie, we're gonna need some more paper or something there, so I'm gonna get you some cardboard, okay?
A little bit messy, aren't I? I'm just go over there and look at that side.
There we go.
Oh, good. Ah! Use it like that. You're gonna break the can. That's break the can. Break the can.
So hard.
That's break the can. Don't forget paint right there. Watch out, I didn't put on your shoe. I'm gonna get blue shoes in.
Well, you have to tell us. Yeah.
She can't play, Michael. She's helping paint the
You
train.
see our
You
swing
can
set?
help. Dad said.
Dad, did you tell the camera what date it is?
Oh, yes. Now tell the camera what date it is.
It is March
23rd.
22nd.
23rd.
Yeah, 23rd. March 23rd, 1987.
Huh? So we're on spring break, right?
Yep.
Oh.
Let's see, we're here.
And we just moved this August. Last August.
Yes.
It was fun too. We get to ride in the big truck. Huh, Daddy?
Oh.
Yeah, bum, 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 bum,
Hey,
bum,
Margie,
bum,
that's
bum,
looking
bum,
good,
bum.
girl. Yes, indeed.
Why are you over here on my side?
All right, I'm coming over your side. All right, we'll bring the camera over. Look at Charlotte's side now.
Move! And look at my side too.
Look at your side too. Well, let's come over here and see what you've been doing. Oh, I can see. Look at those wheels she's been painting so nicely. Okay.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Move!
Okay. Now, Charlotte, here. With the can. Get your runs. You got some runs right there. Atta girl.
Come here. Thank you.
Okay. Let's get. Everybody's working so hard.
Done with that. All that. Tonight, don't I paint that? Daddy, don't I paint that?
My side's already done.
Here you do.
Gotta paint up
Yeah,
there.
Marjorie's painting the wheels.
All right.
Thought you said you didn't want them painted red.
Who cares, Nat? She's only a little
Should I
bit.
paint the eagle red?
If you like. Just be careful it won't run, and you need real, just like. You gotta run right there.
My can all the way over here. Ah, yeah. Stick 'em to me.
brush just a second, baby?
Mhm. You can do that part. Very so sticky. Aren't you gonna help paint the train, Dada?
Yeah, I'll paint just a little bit up here. I'll just sort of poke it along like this. This is called daubling.
I know that. Daddy, I am done, Daddy.
You all done, are you, babe?
You can do snap and stick them together. Daddy said he didn't want the inside paint.
He's not. He's just painting.
Daddy, are you done now?
You all done now? Huh?
I want black, Daddy.
Okay.
I want black. I want black. I want black, Daddy.
Yeah. We don't have black. Honey, we can't paint black until the red dries.
I think we should paint black when she's asleep so she doesn't paint over the red.
Give her a specific area to paint.
Can we go paint this, Daddy? Can we go paint this?
And what, honey?
Got some lines down there. Yes, Daddy. Got a little run right there. It's okay if I
No, Mosey.
Dad.
We want this part black, okay? Okay, Mosey?
Black.
No, we want it black.
Yeah, black.
Dad, Margie's about to paint the wood.
Don't paint the wood, babe.
Yeah.
Here, I'll give you something to paint. You want something to paint?
Mhm.
Okay. Come here. See this? You haven't got this side yet. You're good at this. You do a good job with all that stuff. Okay, why don't you get in there and paint that for Daddy? Take your paint can around. Move our paint can, man. Looks pretty good, Margie.
I got my hat dirty.
No, you're all right. Your hat's just fine.
Look, he
Okay.
said I got my head dirty.
Oh, that's good, Margie.
My hands are sticking together.
Mm-hmm.
My hands are go. I can't let go of the brush because my
Look at
hands are
this.
sticking to the brush.
Isn't that ugly?
Can
Look
you
at
just hold
my
right there
hands.
so I'm going to get on the wood? I am done, Daddy.
You are.
Mush, 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 mush.
You want to paint? Okay, I'll tell you what you can paint. Here, you paint this. You paint that.
I'm going to paint that.
Boy, you got one on.
Right here.
That needs to be painted. Here, I'll move your paint can around. Here you goes.
It's okay if I lean against that.
Looking good, guys. Looking good.
Right here. Is okay, yeah. But not, you can play inside.
Dad, can I paint this thing?
You can just sit inside, okay? You can watch me out from outside. And it's consider getting in the train.
Yes, you can get in the train.
Who's that on it?
Yes,
So watch yourself, honey. There's lots of red paint.
You need special stuff to keep it out of your clothes, huh, Dad?
Huh.
It does not come out of clothes.
No, this paint doesn't come out of clothes, babe.
Uh-oh.
That's why you have bad pants on, Charlotte.
It's getting me on the inside.
Yeah.
Hope it didn't splatter on you, did it?
So run there now. Get your run.
Where?
In blue. Good.
It was very much splatter on this. There's some pink on my shirt. Flowers. And up on here. On here, right there.
We're going to put the camera on hold a minute. Okay.